Porsche is like, phew.
Oh, that V8 sounds nice.
Oi. 3. Careful.
Come on, Bertol.
Steady to the left.
You can do better.
Oi.
160.
Oi. No, they slowed. Damn, I'm good at this. Go on.
Done in 60.
All right. And
You said maybe gathering, mini gathering before we hit the road.
fair, but this wouldn't be the place, would it?
Hey guys, what's going on? So we had to do a forced stop. There was an issue with the Mercedes, as you can see there. It's getting lifted up. The ignition failed. So yeah, we're going with the Macan, right? It's ready to go. We're just going back to Hanoi now, and I think we're gonna hit the road again. This is our car today. Mini Cooper S. With brand new BBS wheels. And then we got two nice cars, the Z4 and the Taycan Turbo. So we're just gonna try to keep up, right? I think that's it. You can just... I remember we stopped here somewhere.
Yeah, I probably. And there we go. Alright. Not yet. As we're closing into the mountainous climb. Scenery around the mountains is fucking awesome.
Yeah, I guess not. Truck.
Sheesh. Hello.
I like these adventure kind of shit.
Yeah, these guys
They
were.
look hella tough as they would climb anything with you.
Nah, these guys were actually doing some nice shit apparently. Ben?